Hey guys, today I have some cool stuff to do today. I have sound effects making, like breaking glass and blowing up things, like bombs dropping and stuff. So right now I'm going to teach you to the breaking glass thing. So you go like a T, you know, like an S, like and you go okay. Okay. So this is what it should sound like. And then the dropping, you go and like a boombox, like that, and then you go like that. So that's how you do the glass and the bomb dropping. So thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, watch my other videos. I have some really cool ones. Yeah, and I'll videotape my birthday if I can, because I'll be getting the iPod Touch 40 plus a clear case, um, hard crystal. So I'll show that to you later. Maybe my couple videos later. So thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, watch my other videos. Bye.